Hello students, I welcome you to Eduno classes. Today we are here to solve questions based on trigonometry. So students, we have already covered the basics of trigonometry and have solved a few questions, but now the questions we will solve are a difficult one and it will be asked in your examinations as well. Okay? So student, here is the first question we have. If 3 cot theta is equals to 2, then find the value of this. So, by seeing the question, what you can guess is this. This is given to you. 3 cot theta is equals to 2. And I have told you how to start the question is to first make a right angle triangle. Then mention its vertices. Then mention the theta angle. Okay, so from this equation, can we find the value of cot theta? 3 cot theta is equals to 2 is given to you. So, the value of cot theta is 2 by 3. Okay, 3 cot theta is given to you. So, cot theta's value, exact value of cot theta is equals to 2 by 3. That means exact value of cot theta is given to you. Now, you have to find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 2 sin theta plus 6 cos theta. Fine. So, students, the first way and the conventional way to find the answer to this question is to find the value of sin theta, cos theta separately and then put according to this expression and then find the answer. Find the value of sin theta. Sin theta we have BC upon AC, cos theta we have AB upon BC, opposite upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse. Fine. So, from here cot theta is base upon opposite. Fine. The way of remembering cot theta is opposite of tan theta, right? And tan theta we know is opposite upon base. So, cot theta is base upon opposite. This is the typical way. This is what you do in your mind. Okay, so cot theta came out to be base upon opposite. So, cot theta is base upon opposite. That means AB upon BC is equals to AB upon BC is equals to this is cot theta, right? And the value is given to us as 2 by 3. Fine. And I have told you what are the real values of AB is 2k and BC is 3k. I would suggest you to keep your copy and pen with you and keep on writing what I am saying. It will be easier for you. Fine. AB is 2k, BC is 3k. In a triangle there are 3 sides. 2 sides are given to you or you have found out. And then the third side would be found with the help of which formula? Pythagoras theorem. So, by PGT we know hypotenuse square is equals to sum of square of other 2 sides. Fine. Here the hypotenuse is, look at the triangle by students. Hypotenuse is AC square. Other 2 sides are AB square plus BC square. So, there are 3 variables AC, AB and BC. How many variables we know? We know AB and we know BC, right? So, put the value. AB is 2k, so that means 2k whole square, and BC is 3k, that means 3k whole square. 4k square plus 9k square, it gives us 13k square. So, AC square is 13k square, that means AC is equals to root 13k square. Fine. And then k will come out of the root. I hope you know it will be like this. 13 1 by 2 and k square 1 by 2. This can be written as 13 because there is no other simplification of that, and this will be 13. So now we know AC as well as root 13k. The conventional way is to find the value of sine theta. Look at the triangle and tell me what is sine theta. BC upon AC, you know BC 3k and you know AC root 13k. Sine theta came out to be 3 upon root 13. Similarly, cos theta is AB upon AC and AB is 2k, AC is root 13k. So cos theta came out to be 2 upon root 13. Put the value of 4 sine theta and cos theta here. 4 into 3 by root 3 minus 3 into 2 by root 13. 2 into 3 by root 13. 6 into 2 by root 13 and solve it. But don't you think this is a time waste? Why it is a time waste? Because you are finding the value of sine theta and this whole method you are applying it. So we will use the method that you will use to solve questions. Okay. What is the method? Let's study that method. Okay. Yeah. Let's just remember how we found. So this was 3k is BC and this is AC. Okay, this AC we found out with the help of which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Fine. Now, we know cot theta. What is the formula for cot theta in terms of sine and cos? Let us start by tan. Tan theta in terms of sine and cos is sine theta upon cos theta. And we very well know that cot theta is inverse of tan theta. So inverse of tan theta in terms of sine and cos theta will be cos theta upon sine theta. And in the question we are given the value of cot theta. 3 cot theta is equal to 2. That means cot theta is 2 by 3. Fine. So 2 by 3 is equals to cos theta upon sine theta. Now, what we did here to find these two values, we will do the same here to find the value of cos theta sine theta. Can we apply the same method? Here we knew that this is the simplest ratio of the actual length of AB and BC. This we have simplified. Otherwise, it would have been something 2k and something 3k. Fine. So here, the actual value of cos theta would have been 2k. And sine theta is actual value 3k. Yes? Now we know 2k and 3k as the value of cos theta and sine theta. Put it here. We directly know the value of sine theta and cos theta. So, 4 into sine theta is 3k minus 3 into cos theta 2k and then 2 into sine theta 3k plus 6 into cos theta, that is 2k. Solve. It will be 4 into 3 12k minus 3 into 2 6k, 2 into 3 6k plus 6 into 2 12k. Simplify. 12k minus 6k will give 6k. 6k plus 12k will give 18k. What is being cancelled here? First of all, tell what is being cancelled here. K. And then 1 by 3 is the answer. So, this turned out to be equal to 1 by 3. You could have done with that conventional way, but this is easier than that way. That is why we have used this way. Okay, we will solve some more questions to clear concepts and learn tricks. Tricks cannot be taught you through notes. You have to solve questions in order to learn the tricks.